Good morning. My name is Richard, and I would like to show you how to put your Samsung Galaxy A15 into maintenance mode. I'll show you how to put your phone into maintenance mode in case you don't want anybody to see what is on your phone. In other words, you want to hide your applications, photos, and other files on your phone, and you want to hide it from somebody. It could be your girlfriend, it could be somebody you don't trust, it could be that you are sending your phone to repairs and you want to hide everything on it and you don't want anybody to see, but the person can still use the phone. I'll show you how. So first of all, you go to settings, you go to the menu, then you search for settings, you tap on settings, and then you scroll down. You will see device care. So we tap on device care. Once we type on device care, we will scroll down to maintenance mode. You will see maintenance mode. Once you tap on maintenance mode, you turn it on. Once you click on turn on, the phone will ask you whether you want to create a log for it, which means creating a log means it is saving all your phone files and the state of the phone. And then if you want to accept, you accept. If you don't want to accept, you will move on to restart. So if I tap on turn on, to tell me restart without creating log. It can restart without creating log. So you can select it if you want. You can also stop and then you tap on reset. Thank you.